Skull Island, and it's great to have you along for the ride. Now we have created this 3D immersive experience, so you're going to have your glasses ready. Don't put them on yet, but just have them in your hand because we're about to return to Skull Island.
Alright folks, get those 3D glasses ready. We have arrived to Skull Island. Make sure you guys keep your hands and feet inside the tram at all times. Looks like things might get a little bumpy.
Oh, dude. Is a Volkswagen engine. We have some futuristic cars of 2015 that are supposed to be flying cars here from Back to the Future and Back to the Future 2. Where's my flying car at? It's past 2015. For all my electric car drivers out there, we have some man-powered cars here from the Flintstones. We have Fred Flintstone and Barney Rubble's car. We also have one of the 17.5 Ford Anglias used in the Harry Potter film. You guys may remember this from when Ron and Harry are headed back to Hogwarts. We have Paul Walker's Nissan Skyline from Too Fast, Too Furious, as well as the Gyrosphere from Jurassic World without the glass. We also have the Fry's Electronics car from Jordan Peele's film Nope, as well as the Crawdaddy from his film Us. And rounding us off here, we have the Beijing Jeep and the Bradley Infantry Vehicle from Transformers. So, as I said, for Ford, picture cars can do a lot. And also, these picture cars were made to look like they're made out of metal. But would you believe me if I told you they're actually made out of plywood and painted to look like they're made out of metal? Now, because picture cars can do a lot for our setting and our time period and our spaces here, we have another picture car here that we got and borrowed from the island of Costa Rica. And here to welcome us onto our island of Costa Rica is my good friend, John Hammonds. On your right-hand side here, we have some cages. Remember I told you we do have some dinosaurs here on the lot. Looks like they must be out getting some food or probably using the restroom or something, so, you know, they're not here right now, but again, we always have them whenever we need them here. We have a couple more picture cars here from Jurassic Park and Jurassic... Whoa, what is that? Look out, guys, looks like these Dilophosaurus snuck up on us here. And I gotta get our dinosaur trainers to make sure they keep these gates closed. Somebody must have forgot to lock them down. You guys alright? You guys good for a car? Fourth car, you guys alright? Alright. Well, I want you guys to take a look at that scene one more time. Now, besides our gigantic T-Rex that's chasing after our main characters here, and the fact that the Mobile Lab is being dangled off the side of a cliff, which actually isn't a cliff, it's actually the parking lot here, or the sprinkler, shoots the water up into the air, and gravity helps pull it back down. Combine that with our thunder sound effects and our strobe lights, And ladies and gentlemen, I like to present to you what I like to call man-made
Over here.
rain. Let's take a look here. Right about, I think, now. Voila. Now you hear those thunder effects? Those thunder effects would actually not be present while they're actually filming in these rain scenes here. Between the water hitting the ground as well as the thunder effects, it would drown out our actual vocals. So we wouldn't be able to hear it in the actual scene. So all of these things that you're hearing are added in post-production, except for the water actually hitting the ground. Now sometimes they do like to show off with these water effects here. I think that's enough, guys. You guys can go ahead and turn it off here. I think you get the point. They work really hard on these sprinklers. Oh gosh, guys, hold on. Looks like we got a flash flood. Brace yourself. Okay, everybody knows how to sing. So you guys can see that it's supposed to be made to actually the BART station from San Francisco. I don't have any Bay Area natives here on the tram. I'm a Bay Area native myself, so I think it's pretty close. As well as the orange Julius, which comes complete with the ejector seat, I might add. We also have some cars from Fast and Furious 7. Now, all this talk of cars and earthquakes really has me a little tired, so I think we should turn the corner here and take a small rest stop here at the Bates Motel, where I heard my good friend Norman has 12 rooms with 12 vacancies, might I add, so I think there should be enough room for all of us. Let's see if Norman is here. Let's see if he's here just yet. Oh, sweet, right on time. What's up, Norman? Everybody wave to Norman. Say hi, Norman. Hi. Oh, he looks a little busy. We'll just give him a second. Oh, look, he's being a gentleman and just helping this person to their car. That's all it is. No, Norman, you look a little busy, so maybe we should go on ahead and head on out of here, shall we? Norman? Let's get out of here. That's all right, Norman. We'll come back later. Thank you. Bye. Oh, no, Norman. Let's get inside of it. Making our way past the Psycho House here, we have one of my favorite and most detailed and elaborate sets here on the Universal Studios lot, and that is Steven Spielberg's film War of the Worlds, with $200,000 just to get it over here to Universal Studios. Here to tell you more about his film is Steven Spielberg himself. Take a look.
How do I do that?
The airplane is probably that is all designed around the vision of speed. Things that
FBI, don't move.
Bill?
That's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not...
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, let's back up a little bit. Got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours.
Hobbs, escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of something.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back. It was on vibrate.
Shaw traced us. Hobbs can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Try to move that vehicle.
It's about to get real interesting.